Load materials, inflating the shaft. Guide material through the rollers. Here, careful, the knives are sharp, don't get hurt. Adjust the hand wheels. Adjust the tension, normally is 4 to 5. Switch the web guiding to auto mode. Decrease the speed to the minimum. Start the machine, adjust the knives, make sure it cut well. Check the material, adjust it smooth. Now let's go to rewinding. Winding each strip to each spool. Only the first time needs winding manually, the next time just need connect the strips, the machine will pull the material automatically. Now all is ready.